get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now I'm doing the first drive of the FBO E30 tune. So let me know if you guys like the content, man, and if y'all like the intake sound. But first and foremost, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I got my boy in front of me with the 440i with the upgraded turbo. But as I'm saying, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this POV on the road, man. Let me know if you guys like the intake sound, man. And also, I built this intake by myself, and probably soon I'm gonna put it up on the market for the N55 F10. Got my boy right there with the 440i B58. It's like 8:13 right now. Just doing like a little POV for y'all so we could get the content. The intake even sounds better even when it's in comfort mode. You could hear it too. I think tomorrow I'm gonna take the car to the car wash, so we could like give it a good wash, clean it up. Damn, that intake sounds good. I'm gonna see if I could do like a little pull for y'all, because right now it's on E30. Do a little pull for y'all. So that was just a little pull, nothing too, you know, just a little something slight. Damn, that intake sounds damn good. Damn. You guys hear the intake, man? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And this is gonna be the end of the video. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.